Hello guys, today I'm here with Raya, my little 8-year-old sister. So, yes.
Yes.
You have to be louder, Raya.
Oh.
Say hi!
Hi!
Okay, enough with that. Yes, I am Thick Queen. We all love a thick queen. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a singing voice reveal. Sorry if my voice sounds a little deep. It's just the way I was born, okay? Okay. Yes, and I'm 11, as you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So, yeah, we're doing the singing voice reveal. Not just me, but my sister.
Yes!
Sorry, I just had to burp. I'm not apologizing that I'm gross. I am not. Okay,
She's not!
what the heck? Okay, yeah.
I'm just buying a bunch of small gifts.
Okay, guys, we're already 1 minute and 40 seconds into the video. So, let's get started. Wait, do you want to,
Yes, I would like to.
You didn't even hear what I'm saying. Okay,
I have like a million small gifts.
What? You have a million? You literally have a million. I can see your screen.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, and if you didn't know, we had computers
9,
next
10.
to each other, so when we're playing like hide and seek extreme or something, we can cheat. Okay, so
Okay, I'm getting a small gift. First.
well, wait, I just want to get.
Wow.
I'm like really low on money. Wow, you're low. You only have 44?
Yeah, I spent it all on small gifts.
I feel sorry. Okay, yes. So let's get into the singing voice reveal.
I'm just.
Enough with the chitty chatty fitty fatty. Okay. Does she want to offer for Peanut? I'm just gonna flex on her. I don't know why. I just feel the need to do that sometimes. Yeah. Are they even trying to flex? I feel kind of bad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, yeah, I only have 2 legendaries when I had, like, literally all the legendaries ones. Just kidding. The rarest legendary I've ever had is an owl, but then I traded it for, like, 4 Skelly Rexes and a clap vehicle. Which I regret so badly. But it's okay. Okay, yeah. So.
Imagine if we get a train in this video.
Yeah, I don't really like trains.
Or a hoverboard. Because I really want a hoverboard and adopt me.
Where's my hoverboard?
Did somebody hack you? No.
No.
You probably traded it.
No, I did a giveaway on my other channel. 0% common, 10% uncommon. No, that's too expensive. Oh my god, it's spendy.
Can you?
Okay, let's please do the singing voice reveal already. Sorry we've kept you waiting. I just want my video length to be long, so yeah. On to it. So, what should I sing?
I don't know. Chestnuts roasting on.
No, I hate that song. Raya, you're supposed to, like, give me ones that I actually like. You knew I didn't like that one. Oh my gosh. Am I just too thick?
Well, after all, your name is Thick Queen.
Yeah.
And that's gonna make you thick.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I want to see if the
And
weed
she
smash
is a
thing
queen.
works.
Don't ask any questions about that.
No! Okay. Okay, we've kept them so long waiting. Is it time to do the final reveal?
Yes, yes.
I'm so scared. Okay, just gonna get a house.
Let's do, let's just do, a song from Frozen 2.
No! Oh my
Easy,
god.
easy.
No. Oh my god. No. Let's do Christmas music. Yeah.
Christmas tree.
No! Maybe like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or something. Something classic. Bougie and ratchet. Okay, yeah, I know, I'm so funny. Admire it. Okay, oh my gosh, they're probably so fed up with us.
Yeah.
Like, probably the one person that's watching this right now. And look at my impressive login screen. Okay, Raya,
What?
I think it's time.
I'm just viewing somebody's party, because I always do this so I can stop scammers.
Oh my gosh, please, Raya.
Sorry for...
Wait, whose house did I just walk into? This is awkward. Okay.
Okay.
Should I waste my money on a new car? I mean, no. Okay, add new. Oh. Mansion? Wait, you can ride that one?
No, you can't.
Oh my gosh, that's actually I'm speechless. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. I am getting that period. Okay,
Okay. Oh,
we kept them waiting so okay. Yeah, sorry.
he's just super scared.
Yes, I am. I've kept you waiting 8 more minutes than you've expected. I'm so sorry. Okay, we need to interview home. Oh my gosh, why am I getting off task? I am just stalling now.
Okay. Let's sing, Rudolph the Red.
Yes. Okay, I get to do it by myself, then you get to do it, Raya.
Okay.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you wouldn't even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. No, I think I'm better off with Billie Eilish. Let's do Billie Eilish. Yes. Let's do. All the good girls go to Taco Bell. No. Yeah. Let's do. You know what? I feel like doing my future.
Oh yeah.
It's my future. Can't wait to meet her. I feel like my singing voice is not good right now. Okay, let's try this again. Period. Actually try to do something else. So, period queen. Okay. Sorry that I'm just stalling. Wait, let's do The one that goes like, eyes blue like the
Oh,
light,
yes.
and I'm going down like
Even though
the
it's not
Titanic.
Billie Eilish, we can still do it. It's really good.
Yeah, because I'm the thick queen. I rule the world.
Yes. I am not as I'm not the queen that you are.
Yeah, you're the skinny queen with thick with 2 C's legs. Yes, do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Yes. And if you've made it this far, I am blessed with you. Okay,
If you made it this far, then you're a true fan.
don't say that. Can you not? Okay, that was the singing voice reveal. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.